This video will show you as the admin how to send out a marketing campaign for your agency. Go to the Email Manager tab and click on Marketing Campaigns. Here you will see a list of all the campaigns that you either have scheduled or that you've sent out in the past. For a new one, click the plus. And let's say that Disney announces a new Run Disney race. You can name this campaign anything you want because you're the only one that's going to see this. New Run Disney race. And then this subject is what you're going to see in the subject line of the email. So let's call it New Run Disney Race Announced. And then I'm going to send this manually when I decide that I want it sent. I can click here to send it to all the agents that have the marketing feature turned on, or I can click here just to send to specific agents. In this case, I'm going to send to all the agents that have the marketing feature turned on. You can filter by different criteria. You can filter by customer status, meaning are they active customers? Maybe they're prospective customers. You can filter by customer tags. You can also filter by marketing methods that you have listed in your agency. Perhaps you've done an event and that specific event you want to market to those people. Maybe by customer reservations or by customer leads. And I'll give a further example for that. In this case, though, I'm going to market to anyone that has asked to be notified about Run Disney. We have a Run Disney tag here. Now let's say, though, that you wanted to send to anyone tagged for Disney things. You can also click Other Tags. Let's say you had 10 people that were tagged for Flower and Garden, 20 people tagged for Food and Wine, and maybe 10 tagged for Run Disney and Star Wars. Then it'll actually go to all 50 people because it's either Epcot Flower and Garden, or if they had Food and Wine tagged, or Run Disney or Star Wars. In this case, though, I'm just going to tag the people that have asked to be told when a new Run Disney race comes out. And then I'm going to create the email body by clicking here. Here's where you create the body of the email. Don't forget to hit save. Then you'll X out of it. Now's when you're going to hit save again. You've turned it on active. Hit save. And when it refreshes, it's going to tell you how many recipients that email marketing campaign is going to go to. Then I can hit run now. Pops up again and tells me how many customers it's going to. Hit yes. Now, when you go back out and you see your list, you will see this new Run Disney race was sent out manually. If you'd like to view the email, you can go back here and preview the email body again. Let's look at another way to send a marketing email. Let's say there's a refurbishment going on at the Polynesian Village Resort, and you'd like to let your clients know that are traveling in May during that time. So the pool's going to be refurbished. So May refurb at Poly. So let's put the subject line pool refurbishment. I'll send that out manually, and I'll send it to all of the clients of the agents that are signed up for the marketing emails for our agency. And I'll go down here to customer reservations, and I'm going to filter it that way. So all of those clients that are going to Disney World and staying at the Polynesian can be filtered out. So we're going to click Disney and then Disney World. And then I'm going to sort by the resort here, and I'll scroll down to the Polynesian Village. And anyone that's traveling between May 1st and May 31st when that refurbishment is going on. And that's all I need to do. And then don't forget to hit save. You're going to go in and you're going to create the body of the email. You'll create that here. Don't forget to hit save. X out. And now check over again. We're going to send it manually to the people that are staying at Disney World at the Polynesian during these dates. Make sure you've turned it on active and hit save. It will tell you how many recipients it's going to go to, and then you can hit run now. Please know that if you have this set for Disney, then this email will go to anyone with a Disney reservation. It will not sort by Disney World or Disney Cruise Line. If you want to drill down deeper, you're going to need to mark one of these. So if you have it set to Disney and Disney World, then it's going to go to anyone with a Disney World reservation, but it will send to all of the resorts. If you want to send just to Pop Century and to those that have some reservation at Riverside, you can click both of those, and then you can adjust these dates however you want. If you also want to send to, let's say, anyone with a Discovery Cove reservation, you can also do that. And then it will go to anyone with a Discovery Cove reservation, also anyone with a Disney, Disney World, drilled down to Pop Century and Riverside reservation. Don't forget to hit save, and then you can run your marketing campaign.